Hi, Timothy Unkert here. In this video, I'm going to discuss the use of Scanf to take an input. Now, I should note that Scanf is now considered a bit insecure for input, but this is just for practice. So let's give this a shot. So we're going to create our main function here, and we're going to create a character array. Let's call it supernatural name, and let's make it 19 characters long. The reason why I say 19, it's one less than what I pass in here because the last character is the null character. Okay, so we're going to print f, and we're going to enter the name of the coolest character on Supernatural. Okay, and I'm just going to put a colon and a space, and then I'm going to go down here and I'm going to scan F, and then I want to scan in this character array, and I want to place it into that character array we created. Okay, and I'm going to print F. You are correct. S, percentage S is the coolest. And then just so my lines don't get long, I'm just going to bring this down here, and I'm going to say character on Supernatural. Okay, and we'll have an exclamation point and a /n here, and we'll pass in that variable and put a semicolon, and the end of this function will return 0. Okay, I'm going to save this. Now let's open up a terminal. Let's run it with let's compile it with gcc scan f.c, and we'll output scan f. Okay, now let's run it, and we'll say enter the name of the coolest character on Supernatural. I'm naturally going to type Dean, and it says you are correct. Dean is the coolest character on Supernatural. Okay, let's try something different. Like, let's try really long name and stuff, and enter it. And you'll see here what happens is it cuts it off at 19 characters because we set this to 20 here, and it's one less than 20. So we have, really is 6, 6, and 6, and we had a space. Okay. So anyways, I hope you found this video informational. If you did and you liked it, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications if you haven't done so already. And I thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.